wants to be a करोड़पति? आपको भी बनना है ना? I know, but किसी के पास टाइम ही नहीं है. In today's video, we will understand how a 10k, 15k और a 25k SIP can make you a करोड़पति और कितने टाइम में. And we'll also understand with different SIP amounts ताकि आप relate कर पाओ easily. और मैं ये भी बताऊंगी इस वीडियो में that how you can allocate your SIP amount as per your tenure of investment and goals. So, are you ready to become a crorepati with your SIP investments? But before moving on to the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any informative videos like this. So let's first understand with a 10k SIP example and we'll check in how many years of time frame you will become a करोड़पति. तो देखते हैं, अगर आप 10,000 की SIP करते हैं for 10 years of time frame at 15% CAGR returns, तो आपके 12 लाख अमाउंट इन्वेस्टेड हो जाएंगे अराउंड 27.86 lakhs, which is not even near to करोड़. तो 10,000 की SIP 10 साल करने के लिए कोई फायदा नहीं है. अब लेट्स से कि यही टेन्योर को हम 15 इयर्स कर देते हैं तो हमारा 18 lakhs का इन्वेस्टमेंट हो जाएगा अराउंड 67.68 lakhs, which is still not near to a करोड़. तो आपको अगर सिर्फ 10,000 की SIP करनी है और टारगेट है 1 करोड़, तो आपको मिनिमम 20 इयर्स इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आपके 24 lakhs अमाउंट इन्वेस्टेड होंगे अराउंड 1.51 करोड़. But if you say that you want to become a करोड़पति but you don't have to wait for 20 years time frame, then there is only one option, which is increase your SIP amount initially या फिर आप स्टेप अप SIP करो. Let's understand कि स्टेप अप SIP होता क्या है. So in step up SIP basically जो आपकी SIP का फिक्स्ड अमाउंट है उसको आप एवरी ईयर इंक्रीज करोगे बाय अ सर्टेन अमाउंट और सर्टेन परसेंटेज. लेट्स से 10% एवरी ईयर यू आर इंक्रीजिंग योर अमाउंट. लेट्स से आप यही 10,000 के SIP में स्टेप अप करते हैं बाय 10% एवरी ईयर फॉर 20 इयर्स डाउन द लाइन, तो आपके पास होंगे अराउंड 2.61 करोड़. So can you see the difference कि अगर आप 10,000 की SIP करते हैं for 20 years normally तो आपको मिलेंगे 1.51 करोड़, और यही 10,000 के SIP को अगर आप 20 साल के लिए करते हैं with just a step up of 10% every year तो आपके पास होंगे 2.61 करोड़, which is a difference of nearly a करोड़. और 20 साल में इन्फ्लेशन भी कितना बढ़ गया होगा, तो that also we need to consider. And that's why in this rising economy सिर्फ SIP से काम नहीं चलेगा, but आपको आपकी SIP step up करनी पड़ेगी. Now let's understand with the second example with different amount, that is 15k SIP for 15 years down the line at 15% CAGR returns. Then you will be able to make a करोड़ in just 15 years of time frame, जो कि 10,000 की SIP में आपको लग रहे थे 20 साल. But because you have increased your SIP by just 5,000, you will be able to achieve 1 crore target in 5 years lesser. Now, let's also consider step up SIP in the 15k SIP. If you increase your SIP amount by 10% every year for 15 years down the line, then you will be able to make around 1.61 crores, जो आप 10,000 की SIP में 20 साल में बना रहे थे. And if you just increase 5 years in this step up SIP of 15k, तो आप आराम से 3.91 crores बना सकते हैं. And if you are between 25 to 30 years of your age, then please start investing and start a SIP into an aggressive mutual funds, ताकि आप आराम से 45-50 तक रिटायर हो सकते हो. And यही 3.91 crore के कॉर्पस से you can easily generate a fixed regular monthly income as SWP from the mutual funds. And the third example is 25k की SIP करते हो आप for 15 years down the line at 15% CAGR returns, तो आपका 45 lakhs का अमाउंट इन्वेस्टेड हो जाएगा 1.69 करोड़. and if you just increase the tenure by 5 more years, then you will be having around 3.78 crores जो आप 15 साल में with step up बना रहे थे. So it all depends on what type of SIP amount you are able to afford and if you are able to step up your SIP or not with time. अब बात आती है that how you can allocate your SIP amount into different fund categories. So let's say if you are doing a SIP of 10,000 every month, then you can go with 2 to 3 different categories maximum to diversify your money. Don't invest into 10 SIPs for 10,000 SIPs because that would be your worst decision ever. क्योंकि आपको लग रहा है कि आपका पैसा डाइवर्सिफाई हो रहा है, but ultimately it's getting invested into the same stocks. So if your tenure is 15 plus years, then you can consider investing into these 3 categories: small cap, mid cap and flexi cap. And if your SIP amount is ranging between 15,000 to 20,000, then you should only have 3 to 4 different fund categories, which can include small cap, mid cap, flexi cap, value funds और contra funds. इससे ज्यादा diversification की जरूरत नहीं है as per your amount, but make sure आप जो भी fund select कर रहे हो is that aligning with your goals and tenure of investment. If yes, then only invest in those mutual funds. Don't just check the returns and blindly invest into them. Or if you are not able to understand, then you can consult a financial advisor. And if you want, you can also book a one-on-one financial consultation call with me, the link to which you will find in the description below. And I will be helping you with all sort of SIP investments and mutual fund investments as per your goals and tenure of investment. और अगर आपको execution platform और tracking platform भी चाहिए, then you can download our app called MyFund SIP. It's an investment platform through which हम आपको पूरी guidance देंगे, execution भी करवाएंगे and track भी कर सकते हैं आप आपके mutual funds. This was it for today. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.